Dublin in record time, and is a true hero in his home country of Ireland. One of the most polarizing figures in the UFC today, the notorious one believes that he will dominate inside the octagon for many years.
Conor McGregor is one of the most creative and dynamic fighters in the UFC's featherweight division today. He is also one of the most loved fighters to ever come out of Ireland.
Conor McGregor enters the octagon, and he's ready to fight. Born and raised in Dagestan, Russia, Ҳабиб Nurmagomedov. He won titles twice in the Russian combat rankings, also a two-time world Sambo champion. One of the best takedown artists that we've ever seen compete in the octagon. The Eagle, Ҳабиб Nurmagomedov.
He is a cardio machine, Mike. He always comes in incredible condition, and that's arguably one of the most important aspects of mixed martial arts training. Once your cardio goes, so does everything else. But this is one guy who definitely won't be losing because he ran out of gas.
Our tale of the tape for our main event of the evening. Both of our fighters are 27. McGregor will have a 4-inch reach advantage. And with the official introductions, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Dan Pergliotta. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. Live from the sold-out Madison Square Garden in New York City. It's time! 5 rounds in the UFC lightweight division. This is the first fighting out of the blue corner. This man is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 20 wins, 3 losses. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Dublin, Ireland, the notorious Conor McGregor! And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, Ҳабиб the Eagle Nurmagomedov!
All right, group of leaders in the locker room. I want you to obey my commands at all times, protect yourself at all times. A nice, clean, safe fight. Touch gloves, back your corners, come out front.
The fight is finally here. We have been talking about this matchup for months. Both men ready to lay it all on the line.
Ready?
And here we go! Tonight's main event is scheduled for 5 5-minute rounds.
One thing to keep an eye out for in this fight are the counter shots of Conor McGregor.
Joey did a nice job blocking that punch.
Hard one to the body.
Swinging early, both men. Big hook.
He's doing a great job of timing these shots. Oh, head kick.
The kick.
Beautiful body shot there, too.
Oh, he's landing. Oh, big right.
Oh, what an exchange. Vicious shot to the body. Big straight punch.
scores.
Powerful uppercut. Oh, my goodness. He's hurt, Mike.
And he's getting rocked here early.
Hurt him with that right.
Combination.
Nice jab. Beautiful body shot there, too. He hurt him with that hook.
Oh, he's landing at will.
Hard straight punch.
Bam to the butt.
Big shots.
Oh, that one hurt him. Oh, Joe, another strong jab. Joe, everyone in attendance tonight might actually be Irish. Listen to the support for Conor McGregor.
Nice combination. Oh!
Trying to stay out of trouble here.
Oh,
that rocked him.
Big
Huge
huge
right
hand. Unbelievable. Look at this. Beautiful knockout strike here for the victory.
Let's check out the action on our fight replay.
And let's take a look at the replay. This is the shot that drops him. Perfect technique. He's clearly in big, big trouble. Let's take a look at it one more time. Here's the knockdown. Vicious strike. Check out this angle here. And he's out.
Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Moriarty's called a stop to this contest at 2 minutes, 8 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by knockout, Ҳабиб the Eagle Nurmagomedov.
Ҳабиб the Eagle Nurmagomedov wins by knockout.